Fun Artifact Friday. Today is National Punctuation Day, and to celebrate I have with me this artifact from our collection, a typewriter. This typewriter has been in our collection since 2006 and it is currently on display in the former music room of Sir Harry Oakes here at the museum. Business expansion in the mid-19th century created more of a need for communication and therefore created more of a need for the mechanization of the writing process. This led to a bunch of different inventions from European and American inventors between the 1830s and the 1860s, but none would go into production yet, however. It wasn't until 1865 when a Danish inventor invented the Hansen writing ball. This typewriter went into commercial production in 1870 and was the first commercially sold typewriter. It was only successful in Europe, though, being used in offices in this continent as late as 1909. The first typewriter to be widely commercially successful, however, was patented in 1868 by 4 Americans in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. The working prototype was made by a clockmaker and a mechanist, and this was actually the origin of the term typewriter as well. Production later began on March 1st, 1873. Because of the machine's success, the design of the writer was slowly adopted by other typewriter manufacturers. Even our typewriter here is reminiscent of their design. Our typewriter specifically is an Underwood No.5, which hit the market around 1900 and became the standard for typewriters to come. It is considered the most successful typewriter model in history, as by 1920 almost every typewriter in use resembled the Underwood No.5. It is characterized by its nearly indestructible workmanship and classic design. Looking at the typewriter today, it's easy to see what all the fuss was about, as it's very elegant looking. Advancements in technology since then, however, has made our communication digital. But we keep this typewriter on display at the museum as an ode to a bygone era of typing. Thank you for joining us on this Fun Artifact Friday. Be sure to join us next week for another Fun Artifact.